JuveXO is actually manufactured in Corona, California, where it is manufactured under current good manufacturing practices. What does that mean? That essentially means that you're getting a product that is produced with the highest standards that are available. What is JuveXO? JuveXO is actually a serum-based product that's made from stem cells, a particular stem cell, which is called an umbilical cord lining stem cell, where we actually capture this product and we actually made these cells produce specifically for cosmetic purposes. The product produces high molecular weight HA, Collagen I III, the product contains Elastin. What does that do for me? That actually helps enhance your skin significantly. It helps actually, if you look at it, it helps your appearance significantly. The product is produced, once again, in a GMP compliant manner, and we discuss this. We talk about everything from loading the product into the vial. What is the vial? Is the vial a GMP vial? The vial is. So the manufacturer of the vial is. When we pressure test the vial, we make sure the pressure is not, there's no issues with it. When it's frozen and thawed, it can withstand various temperature. We actually do what's called vial integrity testing on it too, to make sure there's no issue with leakage, with anything like that. Moreover, when the product is loaded in there, it's actually triple, quadruple filtered into the product. When we talk about that, we talk about starting off at 140 micron filtration, then we go down to 0.4 micron filtration, and then we double 0.22 micron filter it before it goes into the vial. Vial is capped, then everything is sent out for testing to assure that there's complete safety with you. When we discuss current good manufacturing practices, that essentially means that you are following the standards for the highest quality of a product for production.